2018 Chevy Camaro ZL1 6.2 liter supercharged V8. Show you guys what we got done on it. It's got stock primary converters right there and right there. And what we did is replace his secondary converters right here and right here. He said he wanted it a little bit louder, but nothing too crazy. And he also wanted to keep his stock muffler so he still has access to the valves so he can have it loud and quiet when he wants to and have more control over it. So what we recommended was some high flow cats so we can get a little bit more tone, get a more aggressive sound out of it. Duals out into an X pipe stock and then into his stock muffler and his stock exhaust tips. Right there and right there. What do you guys think? Should he go with a Valvetronic system if he wants to go with a muffler delete? Or should he just do a straight pipe? Let us know what you guys think in the comments. As always, please subscribe. Look how wide the rear tires are, guys. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Idle's about 68. Sounds perfect, man. Here's sound decibels. One more. Peaks at 104. That's perfect, man. All right, go and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. If you guys need any help, give us a call at 615-612-6244. You can find all of our products at our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Beautiful. Let you guys hear it on the inside. (2018) Chevy Camaro ZL1. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? Comment below. Should he have gone with a muffler delete or a Valvetronic system? Let me know what you guys think.